Good day. Well, I'm back. I didn't disappear or anything. I've been moving. I moved. So I moved up north. I left the Boulder area. I'm now in the Fort Collins area. So I get to explore a whole bunch of new areas to fish. I used to live up here, so it's not like totally new to me, but I haven't seen rain in months. It's been a long time since I've seen a good steady rain. Got one. Got one. Jeez, how did that happen, buddy? Ooh, almost got myself. Damn, that water is warm, dude. I actually really like fishing from the shore in ponds like this. I have a lot of fun fishing ponds. I like a smaller pond where you feel like you can at least cast out to most areas of the pond. I hate fishing a spot where you're like, you feel like you can't ever cast out far enough away from the shore. Talking about. Bring it over here. Oh shit, brother. You're in the net. Kind of a problem here. Ooh. Nice cut bow, dude. Look at that fish, guys. That's a beaut. I got him in the eyeball shot, so let's get him back. Yeah. That was dope. I knew that was a fishy spot. I was not expecting that guy. Damn. Sick. All right. That's fish number 2. I knew there was a fish in there. Big fish in the hole. That's Poudre River. That's my first Poudre River cutty like that. I never fished the Poudre when I used to live up here. Never. Oh! That was a nice one too. Yep. Shoot. Who's this little guy? Me? Mind your spot, buddy. There's this guy. Just swim around me. There's like dudes in my way. I'm just gonna swim around him. Hilarious. It's so funny. Oh, I got him. Oh, there he is. You son of a bitch. Get over here. Yes. Think that was the same one. He went back to the same spot. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that guy. Whew. All right, buddy. Hell yeah. I knew he'd go back there. All right, that's what I wanted.